My name is Arriya Hicks. I was in the 2025 Bittersweet Cocoa and Permaculture in Jamaica. The impactful things that I learned in Jamaica were that experiencing things with other people in a group and experiencing hands-on work with the earth helps shape us as people and helps build who we are. And also that if you take care of the land, it'll take care of you back, and earth is everything. We did a water restoration project, and we did a few earth building projects, as well as we did a lot of mapping, and we threw a lot of ideas out for different people in the community to help get their farm in a more regenerative agricultural system. We learned about the composting systems, and we helped a lot with some of the composting systems that they had on the farm. My future plans with this experience, I will be going back to Jamaica and Trinidad for 6 months and being immersed in it more deeply and kind of on my own, so I can get a full good understanding about permaculture.
My name is Bryn Smith, and I'm the Associate Director for International Programs and Services. I think that studying abroad can be an amazing way to help us to think about things in a way that we otherwise wouldn't, which then can help lead us to examine problems and just issues in our regular lives through these different lenses that we otherwise might not have considered. For what a liberal arts education is meant to be, of critically thinking and analyzing, working with people who you may not have seen yourself working with. On the whole, I've witnessed students having really an increased sense of self-esteem and self-confidence. They were maybe going into this experience a little uncertain and came out of it on the other end and were able to do something that they thought initially was going to be really challenging, and I'm sure it was really challenging. Particularly, another outcome I've witnessed is, and this is particularly with the group-based travel, so the majority of our students do faculty-led study abroad, so it's regular Evergreen programs that have a travel component embedded. And in those experiences, the students develop a really close, tight-knit learning community, and so their sense of teamwork and camaraderie and connectedness, I've witnessed that as an outcome. So a couple of immediate next steps that an Evergreen student can take if they are wanting to study abroad is to visit our study abroad website. It's just evergreen.edu/studyabroad.
What other advice I would give other students considering study abroad is just do it while you can, and just seize it by the horns and just go for it. You are in college while you're young, and it's a great opportunity while you have it.